Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking grilled pompano. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have ginger, tomatoes, onions, salt and pepper, and of course our pompano. Now we're gonna slice the pompano, both sides, and we will put salt and pepper. But before we do that, we're gonna mix our other ingredients so we can stuff it into the pompano. And then after we stuff it in, we're gonna use banana leaves to wrap this fish. And then after wrapping with banana leaves, we're gonna wrap it again with aluminum foil. And then we're gonna broil it for 7 minutes each side. You can do that in the oven or outdoor grill. 7 minutes each side, and that should be done. We'll show you the finished product later. Now we're gonna mix the ginger, tomatoes, onions. We're gonna use this for our stuffing, and then we'll put salt. Okay. And pepper. All right. Now we will mix the ingredients together. All right. And we're gonna stuff this into the pompano. All right, mix it well, and that should be it. Next step, we're gonna give it a slice. Okay. All right. All right. We're gonna slice it both sides. All right. And we'll put salt and pepper on the slit here. Okay. We'll put salt. Okay. All right. Put pepper. All right. Okay. Turn it over. Put salt again. Okay. All right. Now we will put the stuffing inside the fish. You can just use your hands in doing that, as long as your hands are clean. All right. Next one. Okay. And the last one here. All right, that should be it. And then we're gonna wrap this with our banana leaves and foil. Now we're gonna wrap this with the banana leaves. Okay, there you go. Wrap it like this. There you go. And then the last one here. Okay. Just wrap it around. Okay. There you go. Next step, we're gonna wrap this with the foil. This is the final wrapping. Okay. The reason why we wrap it with banana leaf first, so that the fish will not stick into the foil. So that's a protection. Okay, just like this, and then we will broil it 7 minutes each side. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, like this. Okay, there you go. This is ready for broiling. Okay. The last one. There you go. Okay. Now we're gonna broil this outside with our grill there. So 7 minutes each side, and we're gonna open it after that, and we're gonna prepare the sauce or the dipping sauce for this. Let's check our fish. Oh, there you go. So we're cooking this 7 minutes each side. I'm done with the other side already. So this is the last side that I'm cooking. When it's done, we'll show you the finished product. Here is the finished product, grilled pompano. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.